Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this popular Indo-Chinese dish called Hakka Noodles. I am sharing a vegan recipe loaded with veggies, stir-fried noodles, and sauces. This street-style Hakka Noodles tastes delicious and will have you craving for more. Starting off with the vegetables, I am using capsicum, carrots, cabbages, onions, and chilies. You can use whatever vegetables you have at home. For this recipe, slice the vegetables into long, thin strips. Thick slices of vegetables doesn't taste that good in these Hakka noodles. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as click on the notifications bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. I always feel like cabbage adds a great crunch and great aroma to the Hakka noodles. There are a lot of noodles available in the market, so choose the right one to make the street-style Hakka noodles at home. I use Ching's vegetarian Hakka noodles, and I think they are just the perfect for this recipe. In a pan with boiling water, add some salt along with some oil. The oil will prevent the noodles from sticking with each other. Add the Hakka noodles in and let it boil for a while. Once the noodles are cooked, drain all the water out and pour some cold water. This will prevent it from cooking further. In the same pan on high flames, add some oil. Add some garlic. Once the garlic is brown and fried, you can add the onions in. Chop some green chili and add it in. Mix in the sliced carrots, along with the capsicum, Don't overcook the vegetables and keep them on high flame at all times to make them crunchy. After a few minutes, you can add the cabbages in. Add some salt according to your taste. Don't add too much salt as we boil the noodles with salt, and soy sauce is also going to have some salt in it. Stir in your boiled noodles from before and add some black pepper with all your sauces. So the three sauces that I'm going to be using is ketchup, soy sauce, and some chili sauce. You can adjust the amount of sauce according to your taste. Mix everything well. To make it easier, you can use a pair of tongs to mix it well so that the noodles are well coated with the sauce. I added some extra ketchup so the kids will like it. Mix in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. The Hakka noodles are ready. You can serve them into a plate and enjoy them. You can also garnish the Hakka noodles with some spring onions, but we don't have them, so we didn't use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!